Alright everybody, so we are going to be learning about composting now. Okay? So composting is almost like decomposing, but normally with foods, okay? So if you let's say you take a fresh banana, okay? 1 second. Okay. Alright, so you have a banana. Let's say you unpeel the peel and then throw it into the bushes with soil. What will happen? So if you do that, you'll start to realize that after a while, the banana starts to look like this. A brown banana or a black banana. Peel. Some of them are also, so there's more of them. I'll show you another one. Also be like this. It looks like chocolate, even though it's not. Maybe it is actually. Maybe it's just trying to look fake. Maybe they painted the peel. If you paint a banana peel, you could probably still eat the inside. I'm just saying, just don't even try it, but maybe could. This is another one. So yeah, it just won't look like a normal banana like this one. See? So yeah, let's move on. Alright, so let's say you have some of these delicious brown eggs. Wait. Delicious brown eggs. And then you peel off the shell. And do you want to see what happens? It will look like this after a while if you throw it in soil. Those are the eggshells. They're starting to decompose into soil. Okay, so let's go on to our next food. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this, but if you look closely, here. So you never want to compost meat, okay? This will attract rats and mice and those gross stuff, okay? And if you can see, it says compost resources, how to compost. So it's basically saying never compost that. See, it says it, compost resources, how to compost. So just never compost meat. You could, it's just not gonna compost. It can attract raccoons, rats and mice. Okay, so I wouldn't want to do that. Alright, let's get into our next food. Okay, so you may not be able to compost meat, but you can compost. And no, this is one of the most popular things because people don't really eat these. I mean, people do, it's just that normally not. Strawberry tops. Those are very compostable. Okay? They're fruits, and normally fruits can get composted. And yeah, let's move on to our next food though. Alright, so let's say you have one of these delicious, with a lot of vitamin C, oranges. These are healthy for you because they have a lot of vitamin C. And you definitely can compost them. And you want to know what you could do? What you can do is, of course, compost the peels. So here's a lot of peels from oranges. And yeah, let's move on to our last and final food. I might have said that this was our final food, but let's just do one more. Alright, let's say you have one of these delicious fruits. This is one of my favorite fruits. Probably, well, my first favorite is probably a banana, then probably a blueberry, then probably this, and then a coconut. And I'll show you what this is. A pineapple. You can probably compost the top of a pineapple. It's compostable, so you can cut the top off unless you want to eat it. And you could eat the this part and just compost the top, of course. All right. So I will see you soon in the next video, and yeah, bye.